Okay, I'm done for the night. I don't even know what to say. This seat backrest kicking my butt. I've been wrangling that thing for an hour and a half. Anyway, it's all dusty. Needs wiped down and waxed. The horn's in. Seat back's in. Side panels are in. The hatch is just laying in there. Switches are in. Steering's in. Grab handle's in. Steering's in, but I didn't put the steering wheel on because I'd be in there playing all night like I'm driving a boat. But this is the seat backs. Anyway, just a little hint of green on them. Mostly this silver. But this is the deluxe interior. Like I said, it's all dusty. I'm tired. It's raining. My knee hurts. This seat back's kicked my butt tonight. I'm definitely going to change it. Make it easier to install. Anyway, I clean the shop up in the morning and hang this from the air sideways and wire this thing up and get ready to put it on the hull. All right, thanks for watching.